Usar Chihon Rongpi Ubalasha Kem Namar Jingle Thok Jong U Kumu Ophisar Shipai but Shankalengi Kitem Shipai Haka Uniform Indian Army Ulasha Pengat Haka Kyndon Laispak Hat Kandai Jongka Bharatiya Nyai Sanhita Araja Arpulai. Yakanila Pentip Dauba Sylvester Nontenger USP ke East Khasi Hills District Ubala Benram Yaute Ubalet Thok La Kem da Shipai na 101 area Haka Janmiet Jongka Arpulai Tere Naitung Araja Arpusau Kibala IT Hajalu Para Police Outpost. Ya kemuka dema persya yau new brio la register pat halum dingjeri police station. Haba pentep sekilat pathai kubor USP ulay thu bakat bau Shipai Om Prakash udang tray ha 101 area ulay yau sarchehon ha ka jingbuat baulayat keleng ketika jaka Shipai barban kamela dia kum Shipai ke Assam Regiment. Kumta ha ka jing suba bau new brio ulay Thok nakaliang Om Prakash ula pentep sekibor bahalor ketika ketem Shipai bat kemru yau.
Yesterday, that is 22nd, while Shipai Om Prakash was conducting a guard duty at Army Headquarters 101 area. Suddenly he observed one individual later identified as Sar Chinon Rompi wandering near the army area. On suspecting that individual that he impersonating as an army personnel, he detained him and informed the matter to his superior. Then he identified himself that as the captain of the Assam Regiment. Then later on the 101 officers verified and inquired that there's no such person belong to this what called Assam Regiment. Then later in the night yesterday, the personnel from 101, that's army, they produced him in the Jalupara outpost. Accordingly, our officers made interrogating this and that on him, and we came to know that his name is, as I said earlier, Sar Chinon Rompi, and a case in this regard, a case was registered against him in the Lumdingri police stations, and today he'll be forwarded to the court. Yesterday evening, because they brought us to Jalupara police outposts quite late in the night. Yesterday, yeah, that is how they detained there. That is immaterial for us. The point is that he was produced yesterday to Jalupara outpost. So far, we are yet to get information on that. So perhaps if there is such, then they will. But as of now, no. So we are dealing only with the case what we have registered in the Lumdingri police station.
How many cases are there against him?
Yeah, as now is one case. We'll see during the course of investigation if there are any other complaint against him. Well, the matter still under investigation. It's just started today only, so that will go as per the what he revealed later. That right now I can't tell you whether we'll coordinate with the Assam police or not, because right now we are just started the investigation. As I say, he's just produced this day, and today we just registered a case. That will be in due course of time. We'll do all the needful, not in one go. And the IO will do all the needful. Yes, he has been booked under BNS, that is a new law, under section 319 bracket clause 2.
Habatin, page bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kata ika dur jingki marbam ka jingmat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shapi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.